Hello, good morning, students. Uh, Practical number 2, geometry, page number 30. Three types of the tangent. One they are given this way. When one line and one circle have one common point, then it is said to be a tangent to the circle. Now, point is given inside the circle. So, if you will draw, there are two common points. So, it is not a tangent. When point is given on the circle, there is only one point, so it is a tangent. From outside, there are two tangents. So in the circle, zero tangent. On the circle, one tangent. Outside the circle, two tangents. So on page number 30, this diagram are given, you have to just observe. Then on page number 31, you have learned construction. So as per the construction steps method, three boxes are given blank. 1, 2, 3 diagram you have to draw on page number 31, and below the diagram you have to write when the point is inside the circle, zero tangent can be drawn. When the point is on the circle, one tangent can be drawn. When the point is outside the circle, max to max two tangent can be drawn. Now, and in third diagram, you have to measure this. Suppose it is P, P2A, P2B. So PA is equal to PB is equal to 6.2 centimeter, for example. So you have to measure it and you have to write both equal. Always it will be equal. So don't write different measurement. Okay, this part are given as an observation. So page number 30, just observation. Page number 32, these three diagrams we have to write, and after that you have to fill up the table. So in that it is given a point on the circle, one tangent. Second it is given. So write in that page number 31, point on the circle. So single tangent can be drawn. Second, point interior of the circle. No tangent can be drawn or zero tangent you can write. Exterior, third column, that you have to fill. Maximum two tangents can be drawn. Now page number 32. Those who are using project book, no need to write that three sentences are given as a conclusion. But those who are using only notebook, they have to write this three conclusion with these three sentences. Now, page number 33. there is a reading diagram is given, and in next page blank part is given. Again, three conclusion, three diagram, three observation. Part number one. If one point is given, if two points are given, if three given, like that A dash B dash C means collinear, and if three non-co here collinear. Actually three case, but under third case there are two parts A, B and C. So this is first, this is second, this is third A, this is third B. So how to draw this? In that, a small diagram you have to complete on next page. You have to take one point. Take any radii. So metal point should be out, pencil point should be on red. So from here, complete one. Then again increase the radial, metal point out, pencil point here. Draw at least 3, 4. So from one point, many circles can be drawn. Can pass, you can write. From 2 points, that diagram how you will draw? Take 2 points. Join the 2 points. Then from here, upper side, lower side. From here, upper side, lower side. Now, take a metal point on line L. Anyway, suppose I am taking here. Metal point and pencil point on this red mark, this much. Draw the circle. Then I will take metal point here, pencil point here. So again you have to write from 2 points. Many or infinite also you can write. Now it's time to check when 3 points are in line, linear. A, B, C. So join this 3 points. no one circle can pass through three linear points. Now, if three points are non-linear, means coplanar but different. This is A, this is B, this is C. On the next page, you have to draw this diagram. So first you join this. Correct. Then from all point A, B and C, from A, B and C, B guard. From here also B guard. From here also B guard. More than half circle. From here, 1. Don't change the measurement. 2. Don't change the measurement. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then, see, observe. This point, now these two lines are now intersecting here. So join that. Now these two lines intersecting here. Join. Now this point intersecting here, and from here, from outside to inside, it's this to this to this to this. Now this is your center. Now this is your center. From C to A or from C to B or from C to C. Sorry. So I have to write O point because C is already. So O to A or O to B or O to C, you have to take the distance as a radius. Mapping point on O, pencil point on A, B or C. Then you can complete the circle. Okay. So from 3 points, only one circle can pass. From 3 non-collinear. Now page number 35 with the nail and cardboard and that hard structure they explained. But we will do it in a very easy way because in a practical time, how we will explain. Student, you are getting no what I am explaining. Three case of this 1.2.3 pen and 3 tangent time. Correct? Voice is coming with a Preeti, Shreya. Hello. Hello. Reply with a Shreya. Hello. Hello? All are unmute or what? All are mute.
Yes, sir.
अरे रिप्लाई एटलीस्ट वन बच्चा एक जन माइक चालू रखो. I'm shouting that screen is clear, voice is clear. Any problem? Hello? Voice is not coming. Tell. Hello? Speak.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Now, my voice is coming now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next question. Inscribe angle theorem. So, you have to draw a circle. Draw the circle. Take this as a O center. Cut the arc into A and B. Cut the arc into A and B. Now, take any point on a circle C opposite to that arc. Now, you have to join this, and you have to join this, and this. Measure this first, measure this second. For example, measure angle AOB. Draw and then measure. Suppose it is 72. So measure angle ACB. This will be 36. Measure it and write. Not by formula, not by theorem. So from that you can write measure angle measure angle AOB is equal to measure arc AXB. Measure of central angle is equal to measure of arc. Just correct. Then you have to write measure arc, measure angle ACB is half of measure arc AXB. From the observation, if this is 36, if this is 72, this is half of 72. So page number 35, that this diagram you will do. It is given. Page number 36. What you will do? You will cut this much page. Okay, on a paper. So this will be like this arc. Okay, now fold it. This point to this point, fold it. It will be this. Correct? Or cut exactly from the center. Now this you can attach here. See from the circle. Cut this much part as a paper. Correct? Now fold it. This over here. So it becomes like this. Cut it in exactly 50-50. Now this and join this, try to stick that half paper here. So it is exactly half. So now this part and this part are equal. 1, 2 and 3 part are equal. Any confusion then ask. Today no one is replying. How much students? Only 15 students. See. And that also are not active. Now in three ways, these are the paper activities. How we will do? So this is R. We are taking right hand side R. Now take any point on a cycle. Take any point on a cycle. Mark this and cut this much piece. Cut. It will fit here. So this angle and this angle are equal. That you have to prove. Cut this much part, red part, and fit here. Cut this, fit here. Take again any part. Cut this much part. This much, try to fit here. This commit. So this, by practically you will come to know that when we cut this part of the cycle and this pointed, not any angle, this particularly comes here. So it will be exactly fit in that. So inscribe angle and tangent secant angle, both are congruent. So opposite to arc we are taking, opposite to arc we are taking, so opposite to arc A. Cut this much part and this angle will fit here. This, this turn, this turn. So here, what exactly we are proving that this is A, this is X, this is B, this is Y, this is C, this is Z. Here we can prove A is equal to X. Here we will prove B is equal to Y. Here we will prove C is equal to Z. Whatever the diagrams are given with a pencil, you mark that where I have marked A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So exactly you will come to know that I have to cut A. From the diagram I have to cut A and I have to replace it by X. This much angle B right here. So inscribe angle and tangent secant angle form both are congruent. That we have to do. Come to the page number 37. Page number 37. Hello, my voice is coming out there. Reply in between.
Yeah, sir, it's okay.
Correct. Observation. So first observation, measure angle BAC. BA BAC BOC. The diagram is not like that. Diagram is like that. There is a mistake. So it is BAC. Then BOC.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now
Yes.
it is coming now.
So it's audible, but they might be having network issue.
Hmm. Here something is wrong. Something is wrong in this design of the ABC. Whatever they are given or measurement. Okay. A, B, C, D, and T they are given. So first, write BTA. BTA is 90 degree. Measure angle BOC. Here write ABC is equal to 90 degree. Correction because BOC how it is. No, not possible. Okay. So ABC. Okay. So measure angle BTA is equal to half of measure arc ADB you can write. And also measure angle ABC is half of measure arc ADB. Just change because they have given ulta pulta. Angle ABC. Then measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. ATB, right, measuring angle ATB is equal to 90. Change it. Again, same return. Measuring the ABC is equal to 90. Measuring the ATB is equal to 90. So measure angle AOB means straight line is equal to measure arc ADB. Or you can write AD. So make the changes because figure and this labeling it is not matching. So ABC is a half of arc. ABC is half of ABC. That is correct. Measure angle ABC half of measure angle AOB. That is correct. Then measure angle ABC is half of measure angle AOB from A figure from B figure. It is correct. C also they have given measure angle ABC half of AOB. Therefore, measure angle ABC half of RPB. And at the end, to fill in the blank, it is given so 90, 90, right? 80B is 90, ATB is 90, ABC is 90. This perfect. Okay, for today that much is enough because that so much work is there. You have to cut the paper piece and you have to draw as per construction and you have to write all this for in the blank. So this video I will send to you, no problem. Now, student try to understand this full schedule that you exam May. So full on March and full on April, 2 months. They have given extra. So 60 days. It is more than enough. If you will start from zero, no, then also you can reach. In maths, they have decreased 3 chapters. So every day, do 1 hour writing practice. Secondly, in all your group, you must have received the message that from today to 20th, there will be no lecture, no Google, no WhatsApp, and all that. But it is up to you. I am ready to teach you every day. So, especially that robotic team, I'll send one message. But these people also can send me the message that on which day you want holiday or on which day you want me to teach. Tomorrow we will complete this. If tomorrow we will, if it is not completed in 30, 45 minutes, we will take more than 1 hour. But geometry part practical we will finish. From Monday, we will start with coordinate geometry. In there are lots of shortcut intelligent method, easy calculation. So don't miss that online lecture. So student will message me that on which day you want holiday in between this, or on which day they want live lecture. Any. Okay, in my group also I'll send that message. So I want systematic reply that I can mark in my calendar, and as per majority I do. Or third